You can't make a trip to Liberty Hill without a stop at Dahlia Cafe. Dahlias is country cooking heaven with an indoor-outdoor vibe that everyone in the family can get behind. It was opened by the Johnstons 15 years ago, and it's been filling bellies ever since. This is Debbie Johnston and her son Brian, who's been working beside her since day one. Woo! All right, what do we have in front of us here?
That's our loaded queso fries. We've got queso, bacon, green onions, and our homemade green chili ranch dressing.
Oh my gosh,
Really
queso
good.
and ranch dressing?
Really, really good.
I don't know if y'all are going in. I might end
I'll
up
take
eating
a
this
look.
whole plate. So what is it that's been the secret sauce for Dahlia's success? I mean, you come out here on a Friday, Saturday night, this place is packed.
I think good food and good service and a family atmosphere.
Put down those phones and have conversation like families used to do.
I've got people that come in. My kids picked where they wanted to go tonight. I don't know if the playground had anything to do with that.
The mac and cheese is a lot of
The mac and cheese is.
Oh, mac and cheese helps.
But I
Tractor
mean,
tires and mac and cheese is
Yeah.
all kids need.
yeah.
I guarantee you that all the world needs is somewhere on this menu.
My meatloaf, my mother-in-law gave me that recipe when I got married. Her
Okay.
mother-in-law gave it to her when she got married. So I have mother-in-law's meatloaf.
How much ground beef do we go for meatloaf in a week?
120 pounds a week of meatloaf, 500 chicken fried steaks a week, about
500?
about 500 burgers a week, about 60 gallons of gravy a week.
Oh.
You gotta have jalapeno gravy on it.
Yeah, jalapeno gravy. Here.
And pie. I'm kind of a sweet person.
Okay.
I made all the pies when we first opened until it got to where I couldn't keep up anymore.
Last year, they made 1,700 pies for the Thanksgiving rush. So yeah, save room after dinner. So y'all want this to feel like stepping into y'all's home. That's awesome.
That's our motto. Thanks for letting our family serve your family. Because that's
Oh,
what
yeah.
my whole family works here.
It is. That's what I've encountered here. When you sit out and the band's going and the kids are playing and the sun is setting, it's kind of got a pretty magical vibe to it.
Easy going.
Y'all know I love the entire country cooking food pyramid, but tonight, I'm feeling nostalgic. This right here is what Southern comfort looks like. Shrimp and grits. Got a side salad with some of their homemade jalapeno green chili ranch. Oh yeah, see that? I don't have to look. It's a really hard call when you go to a home cooking restaurant that does everything so well. Woo, that's delicious. Growing up in my house, cheese grits were a staple. I mean, we ate cheese grits all the time. And then, you know, being down in Port Arthur, Texas, we had shrimp and Dewey sausage. So this is like a mashup of all the flavors of my youth. They get you in the soul. They hit you right in the soul. Shrimp and grits is also a really good excuse to eat essentially an entire bowl of heavy cream and cheese. And I'm here for it, folks.
Is that kind of thing normally frowned upon?
In some settings, if you filled up an entire bowl full of heavy cream and cheese, people might be like, it's not the healthiest choice. Sprinkle a couple shrimp in it, bam, it becomes shrimp and grits. That's all you need. I mean, look around. It's just an incredible place. The kids are all playing over there. Families are sitting together over here. Everybody's just kind of fellowshipping around some really incredible food. I mean, this is what the table was supposed to do. It's supposed to bring us all together. And Dahlia's is nailing it. If you liked this video, chances are you're gonna love another video that's somewhere right about here. Or you can visit thedaytripper.com. But above all, what I want you to do most, remember the Alamo. I'll see all y'all out on the road. Bye con Dios, amigos.